What's going on here? Oh, he's getting scared. Looks like a printer. He got scared of the paper. Or was it the machine? The printer machine. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little reaction. Smack that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Fuggy T. And guys, remember, at the end of all my videos, is going to be a notification window. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, Fuggy T, like my videos, and hit that bell, and you might just win. But guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace.